Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo E in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 907798.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.